Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to be doing something different. I'm so excited for this one. So I've been learning how to make my hair and see what your girl did. I made a full hair by myself. So I just thought I would record the process and yeah, hopefully enjoy the content of this video. So first off, this style is a crochet braided front and weaved in the middle, so braided front and all round. So what I'm just doing now is I have braided the front of the hair and the side of the hair as well. So for the middle, which I am going to be weaving, I have sectioned it and I am just doing a cornrow. So I've done about 5 or 6 cornrows in the middle, and I'm just going to feed in the crochet on that side. So what I'm currently doing now is I am the front and the circumference of the hair, I'm going to be single braiding it with the crochet. So this is the crochet I'm using. It's a full-on braids and it's got the auburn tips, and I really do like it. I'm also going to be using kinky to wrap the hair, and you're going to be seeing exactly what I'm going to be doing. So I am going to be using a small quantity of the kinky because I want it to blend in very nicely with my hair, because you know kinky has a natural hair texture depending on the type of kinky you're using. So I've taken a single strand of the braid. I am feeding my hair. I'm just going to bring the camera close so you can see what I'm doing. So I've just passed my hair into the loop of the braids, and now I'm using my hair to wrap around the braided crochet up until the end, and then I'll get that small strand of kinky which I had cut earlier, and I'm just going to wrap that around my hair so it's secured and tight onto that braided crochet, just like I'm doing now. So the idea behind this is because the kinky looks quite like my natural hair, it's going to blend in nicely and it's going to have like this thread-like effect. So that's what I'm doing now, and by the time it's done you're going to see the finished result. It is like so easy to make this style, and I'm going to be doing this all round the front of my hair. So each individual braids is going to have this strand looped in, my hair tied around it, and the crochet also tied around the hair and the braids to secure it nicely. So I'm just getting the rest of my hair out of the way just so I can do this easily. So again, I'm showing you again. Now I'm wrapping it around the braids. So this is such a very easy style. So if you just want something, it took me, I'm still a learner when it comes to making hair. So I've had a few lessons on actually comes to teach me how to make my hair. So we've done about 4 lessons at this stage, and I've got like 3 more to go on how to make hair. The idea behind this is the area I live in Manchester, it's not a place where I can easily find people to make my hair because it's not very colored. You know what I mean? It's not easy to find someone to make my hair. You have to book appointments and all of that. And I also have to make my daughter's hair and book an appointment and all of that. So I just thought I would use my holiday time to learn how to make my hair, which is what I'm currently doing. And I'm so excited I'm able to do this. Can you imagine? Before now, I could not even do nothing. Well, I could do some, but not too much. So now I can braid the whole length of my hair. I'm going to be able to do that for my daughter as well. So I'm just doing everything now, and so I did this braid around the perimeter of the hair, which already you've seen in the video. So on the side, on the other side, and on the back, just so when you want to pack the hair all up, it doesn't show that it's fixed in the middle. And I also do like my hair very full, but in this video I would not consider this as a full hair, but it's looking really good already. As you can see, I've got a few more on the side, which I'm also going to be doing on the camera just to show you how to get this done. So this is like so easy to do, and it takes, I think it took me less than an hour to do this style. And for someone that is a learner, I mean this is you can just imagine how easy this is for someone that is learning. And I think like crochet is one of the best things that have happened to natural hair or like protective hairstyles. So I've got my son down on the floor, in case you're wondering who I'm smiling with. My baby is just on the floor watching me make my hair, and I'm going to get his hair done as well. Not really, but yeah, so just finishing up this braids now. Okay, time to give our guest a nice warm welcome. And see that thing in the middle of his hair? Yeah, that's me. And yeah, that's it guys, and that is the finished hair. And that's it from me guys. If you enjoyed the content of this video, my first ever braided hair by myself, remember to like, subscribe, turn on the bell notification so when I post any upcoming juicy content you get notified, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care guys, bye.